Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll write a Python program to check a given year is a leap year or not. So first, we'll understand what is a leap year, when we say a given year is a leap year or not, and then followed by that, we'll write logic and finally we'll see the output. So now, leap year. Okay, so leap year demo. So here we'll be taking two important conditions to check whether a given year is leap year or not. So we can segregate those two conditions into two different ways. For example, 2000, century year and non-century year. Okay, so 2000 is an leap year. Okay, so here the condition is if a number is divided by perfectly is perfectly divisible by 400 and 100, then we say given year is leap year. Okay, so I'm just commenting this. So if a number is perfectly divisible by 400 and 100, then we say given year is leap year. Okay, 2000 by 400, is it perfectly divisible? Right. And 2000 by 100 is divisible by 100? Yes. And finally the remainder is 0? Correct. So now the 2000 is a leap year. And now comes to 2012. Is 2012 a leap year? Yes. But does it satisfy these two conditions? No. Is 2012 divided by 400? No. 2012 divided by 100 is divisible by 100? No. So the next condition is if a number is perfectly divisible by 4 and not by 100, then we call it as leap year. Now check 2012 is divisible by 4 or not? Yeah. So 2012 by 4 5s are 503. So 4 into 503 will give you 2012, which will give you the remainder as 0. And not by 100, then we call it as an leap year. Okay. So is it divisible by 100 2012? No. So if these two conditions are satisfied, if a number is perfectly divisible by 400 and 100, then we say given year is leap year. If a number is perfectly divisible by 4 and not by 100, then we call it as a leap year. If these two conditions are not satisfied, then we call it as a non-leap year. Okay. For example, take condition 2001. So is 2001 divisible by 400? No. So this condition is not satisfied. And let's go to the next condition. Next condition. What is the next condition? Is it divisible by 4 2001? No. So it's not satisfying these two conditions, then we say it's a non-leap year. Okay, so let's write the program and see the output whether a given year is leap year or not. Okay, so I'm just commenting this and I'm removing this. Okay, and I'm just adding this line. Okay, so these are some of the leap years which I have taken from Google. Okay, we'll see with example, we'll see with explanation whether these are leap years or not. I'm just commenting this. I'm just commenting this. Okay, and this one is not a leap year. 1700 is not a leap year. 1800 is not a leap year. 1900 is not a leap year. Okay, I'm just removing this. Okay, now we'll write the program by implementing these conditions to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. Now first let's take the number from command input. Num int equal to input of enter a number. Now what we'll be doing is So now we have taken a number. Now we need to check whether a given number is a leap year or not. So to check that, we have two conditions. What is the first condition? If a number is perfectly divisible by 400 and 100. So perfectly divisible means we should give the condition like this: num percentile 400 equal to 0 and num percentile 400 equal to 0 and num percentile 100 equal to 0. We call that number as an leap year, right? Print. So how do we give that? Just give the format saying that 0 is a leap year. Okay, 0 is a leap year. Dot format num. So instead of num, I'll just say it as year. I'm just copying this year to here. Okay. So if a year percentile 400 equal to 0 and year percentile 100 equal to 0. So till here it is correct. Then we call it as an given year is a leap year. Otherwise, elif will take one more condition. What is the next condition? If year percentile 4 equal to 0 and year percentile 100 not equal to 0. Year percentile 100 not equal to 0. Then we say it is an leap year. As I told you, right? So what is the second condition? If a number is perfectly divisible by 4 and not by 100. So year percentile 4 equal to 0 and year percentile 100 not equal to 0. Then we call it as an leap year. If both of these conditions are not satisfied, we call that as the given year is a non-leap year. It's not a leap year. So 0, I'm just copying this and pasting it here, is not a leap year. Let's run the program and see the output. Okay, once again there is an invalid syntax over here. So here we need to add colon. Again run the program and see the output. Yes, enter a number. So first we'll check whether a given year is non-leap year. So for that I'm just entering 1700. 1700 should not be a leap year. Why? Because 1700 is not a leap year. So first check whether it is divisible by 400. No. Check it is divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay, and then 100, 25. So this is divisible by 4. Year percentile 4 equal to 0. 1700 by 4. Check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So first condition is 1700 is it divisible by 400? No. So then this condition is failed and it comes to this condition. 1700 percentile 4 equal to 0. Is it true? Yes. So 125 into 4 will give you 1700. But 1700 by 1700 percentile 100 not equal to 0? False. Why? Because 1700 is exactly divisible by 100. So this condition is failed. Okay. And finally it will come to this condition which is not a leap year. Okay. Now let's run the program and see the output. Now enter a number. Sorry. Enter a number 200. So sorry, 200 is not a leap year. One more time I'm just entering 2000. So 2000 is a leap year. Let's see why 2000 is a leap year. So 2000 is exactly divisible by 400. Yes. 2000 exactly divisible by 100. Yes. So 2000 by 100, which will give you the remainder as 0. 2000 percentile 400, which will give you the remainder as 0, and finally it will print 2000 is a leap year. Got it? Now let's see the another one, last one, which is 2016. Okay, so let's run the program and see the output. So 2016, so 2016 is leap year. So is 2016 exactly divisible by 400? No. Okay, then it comes to the next condition. 2016 exactly divisible by 4? True. So 2016 is exactly divisible by 100? No. So it's not equal to 0. So both these conditions are true. Finally it will print this is a leap year. 2016 is a leap year. So hope you understand this logic, whether to check a given number is a leap year or not. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll be giving my Telegram link in the description. You can join that link. So where I'll be posting different videos related to Java and Python. Okay. So don't forget to join that channel. Thank you.